Gorilla Tag is back at it again with the brand new Support a Fellow Monkey, but this time it's about the new game mode, Super Infection. So what I really like about this game mode is all the new features that you can do from platforms like this to rocket boosters. It makes it a lot more fun than last time because it's a lot more finished. And the creator I'm going to be supporting is Gary. That's his channel on screen. You should go subscribe to him. He makes really good content. And yeah, goodbye.